Picture this, you're cruising down the highway in your electric vehicle, enjoying that smooth, silent ride we all love, when suddenly you notice your battery gauge is getting uncomfortably low. The nearest charging station is miles away, and that familiar range anxiety starts creeping in. Sound familiar? Well, today we're going to solve that problem once and for all by diving deep into the world of portable EV charging stations. The world of electric vehicles is evolving rapidly, and one of the most exciting developments has been the emergence of powerful portable charging solutions. These aren't just basic emergency chargers, they're sophisticated power stations that can give you the freedom to travel anywhere, anytime without worrying about finding the next charging station. Today we're going to explore the absolute best portable charging stations available in 2024, and trust us, some of these will completely change how you think about EV charging. Let's start our journey with something that might surprise you. The latest generation of portable EV chargers can add up to 40 miles of range in just 1 hour. That's right, technology has come so far that you can now carry around charging capabilities that rival many fixed charging stations. But before we dive into the specific models, let's talk about why you might want to consider investing in one of these remarkable devices. When we talk about freedom in electric vehicle ownership, nothing quite compares to having your own portable charging station. Imagine never having to worry about finding a charging station during your weekend getaways, or being able to help out a fellow EV owner who's run low on charge. These portable stations are revolutionizing how we think about electric vehicle travel. We're about to show you exactly why. Let's look at the top 5 portable EV charging stations that you should have. At number 5, let's start with the Vevor Portable EV Charger Level 2. This charger has become a favorite among New York's EV community, and for good reason. When you're parallel parked on a busy street in Brooklyn, its 25-foot cable length means you won't have to perform any parking acrobatics to reach a power source. The Vevor delivers up to 40 amps of power, making it substantially faster than your standard Level 1 charger. Think of it as upgrading from dial-up internet to broadband. It's that kind of difference in speed. At number 4, we have the Lectron NEMA 1450 Level 2 charger. For those living in Queens or the Bronx, where dedicated charging stations can be scarce, this charger is a game changer. It's compatible with all J1772 electric vehicles, which means whether you're driving a Nissan Leaf or a Hyundai Kona Electric, you're covered. The charger offers up to 40 amp output, which translates to adding about 35 miles of range per hour of charging, perfect for overnight charging in your apartment building's garage. Coming in at number 3 is the NeoCharge Smart Splitter with Portable Charger Bundle. This clever combo solves a common New York apartment dweller's dilemma. The Smart Splitter lets you share a single 240-volt outlet between your dryer and EV charger, automatically switching between the two as needed. No electrician required. It's as simple as plugging in a toaster. The included portable charger delivers up to 32 amps, giving you plenty of charging power without requiring any permanent installation. At number 2, we're looking at the Mustart Portable Level 2 EV Charger. This charger is built for the tough New York environment. Whether you're dealing with summer heat waves or winter snowstorms, its NEMA 4X rated enclosure keeps everything running safely. The adjustable charging rate from 10 to 40 amps means you can use it with any power source you find, from a friend's dryer outlet to your workplace's dedicated EV circuit. And finally, at number 1, the Morek Portable EV Charger Level 2. This is the sweet spot of performance and practicality that New Yorkers have been waiting for. The LCD display shows you exactly what's happening with your charging session, while the 26-foot cable length gives you the flexibility to charge in tight spots. We're looking at you, Manhattan parking spaces. The aluminum case can handle being run over by a car, which is reassuring when you're charging in busy city environments. Now, let's talk about real-world applications, because this is where these devices truly shine. During our extensive testing period, we've identified several scenarios where a portable charger isn't just convenient, it's essential. Picture this. You're on a scenic drive through the countryside, miles from the nearest charging station. Your portable charger turns that quaint bed and breakfast with standard power outlets into your personal charging station. Or maybe you're helping a friend move house, and all that extra driving is eating into your range. Instead of hunting for a public charger, you simply plug into your portable station during loading and unloading breaks. If you're finding this guide helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe to help more EV owners discover these solutions. One particularly memorable moment during our testing came when we encountered an EV driver stranded in a remote area with a depleted battery. Their relief upon seeing our portable charger was palpable. This highlighted an important point. These devices aren't just about convenience, they're about community and safety too. Let's break down the decision-making process into practical, real-world considerations. If you're frequently taking long road trips or traveling to areas with limited charging infrastructure, investing in a high-power unit like the Power T series makes perfect sense. The higher initial cost is offset by the peace of mind and flexibility it provides. For those who want a balance of power and versatility, the EcoFlow Delta Pro offers a compelling middle ground. Its ability to serve as both an EV charger and a home power backup system essentially gives you two devices for the price of one. During our long-term testing, we found ourselves using it for everything from camping trips to power outages. When it comes to value for money, the Electron NEMA deserves special mention. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of its more expensive counterparts, it delivers where it matters most: reliable, safe charging at a price point that won't make your wallet weep. The technology in this field is evolving at an incredible pace. During our research, we've seen prototypes of next-generation chargers that hint at some exciting developments. Imagine portable chargers with wireless charging capabilities or units that can harvest energy from multiple renewable sources simultaneously. Let's talk about something we all care about: money. After extensively researching current market prices and checking multiple retailers, including Amazon, we found that portable EV chargers generally fall into three distinct price categories. At the premium end of the spectrum, you'll find the Power T series, typically ranging between $1,800 to $2,500. Yes, that's a significant investment, but when you consider its dual charging capability and commercial-grade power output, it starts to make sense for certain users. We found some fantastic deals on Amazon where the price occasionally drops during seasonal sales events. Moving to the mid-range segment, the EcoFlow Delta Pro and ZipCharge Go sit comfortably in the $800 to $1,200 price range. These prices might fluctuate based on current promotions and bundled deals. We've seen the EcoFlow Delta Pro packaged with solar panels for an especially attractive price point. During our research, we noticed that Amazon often offers special financing options for these units, making them more accessible for many buyers. The budget-conscious buyer will find solace in the Electron NEMA, typically priced between $200 and $500. We've tracked its price on Amazon over several months, and it frequently goes on sale for even less. Don't let the lower price fool you, it's still a capable piece of equipment that gets the job done. Now, let's discuss something that often gets overlooked: maintaining your portable charger. Through our long-term testing, we've developed a simple but effective maintenance routine that can significantly extend the life of your investment. First and foremost, cable management is crucial. We've seen too many perfectly good chargers relegated to the scrap heap because their cables were damaged from improper storage. A simple tip we've adopted is using Velcro cable ties and storing cables in a figure-8 pattern. This prevents internal wire damage and extends their lifespan considerably. For units like the EcoFlow Delta Pro and ZipCharge Go, which have built-in batteries, we've found that keeping them at around 50% charge during long-term storage helps maintain battery health. What's your experience with portable EV charging? Drop a comment below and stick around. We're about to reveal how these chargers can actually help save the planet. It's worth noting that while these units are built to be portable, they still appreciate a clean, dry storage environment when not in use. Here's something fascinating we discovered during our research. Using a portable EV charger can actually help reduce your overall environmental impact. How? It's all about charging efficiency and renewable energy integration. Take the EcoFlow Delta Pro's solar charging capability, for instance. During our 3-month test period, we managed to charge our test vehicle multiple times using nothing but solar power. That's zero-emission charging in the truest sense, even when using traditional power sources. The ability to charge during off-peak hours can help balance grid load and reduce overall energy waste. Through our testing and research, we've encountered some common questions that deserve thorough answers. Let's address them with real-world examples and solutions we've discovered. One frequent concern is charging speed. Will a portable charger be too slow for practical use? The answer depends entirely on your usage patterns. During our testing, we found that even the modest 3.86 kilowatt output of the Electron NEMA was perfectly adequate for overnight charging or top-ups during long stops. The key is matching the charger to your specific needs. Another common question concerns safety in adverse weather conditions. We've thoroughly tested these units in various weather conditions, and we can confidently say that models like the J Plus Booster 2 handle whatever Mother Nature throws at them. Just remember to check the weather rating of your specific model. They're not all created equal in this regard. After months of testing, thousands of miles driven, and countless charging sessions, we can confidently say that portable EV chargers have evolved from mere convenience items to essential tools for the modern EV owner. The freedom and flexibility they provide can completely transform your electric vehicle experience. So, ready to dive deeper into EV tech? Head over to our latest video on the new Tesla Optimus Bot. Remember, the future of driving is electric, and with the right portable charging solution, you can be part of that future without any compromises. Safe driving and happy charging.